Okay, now let's move on to the next part. Okay, after we're done with reflection, we move on to this term called your refraction. Okay, let's go through some of the basic things first. So what exactly is reflection? Refraction. So refraction is actually the bending of light. Okay, it's the bending of light as it passes from one medium to another with a different optical density. With different optical densities. Okay, so this is actually your refraction. So it's about light bending as it passes from one medium into another. So how does it exactly look like? So imagine here I got glass, okay, air. So imagine this like a glass block, one of the surfaces. So as light travels from the air, sorry, I draw the bit. Okay, so as light travels from the air to the glass block, it will actually bend. Right, it will bend. So this is actually known as refraction. So what's so special about refraction? Okay, you'll touch into this later on, but let's look at some of the basics first, the terminology. So same thing, this ray that's coming in is called the incident ray. And this ray that's coming out is what we call your refracted ray. Okay, simple basic stuff that you need to know. The next thing you need to have is definitely the 90-degree line. It's an imaginary line. Okay, what you call this? This is the normal. Okay, so let's label it now. So this is the normal. So a few more things to take note here. You have your angle here. Your angle here. Okay, angles are always measured from the light ray to the normal, light ray to the normal. This angle is also known as I. This angle is known as R. In this case, this is refraction. So I is actually known as the angle of incidence, while R is known as the angle of refraction. So just take note, R now stands for the angle of refraction. So this is the introduction for your refraction.